Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is chapter 5 of the so-called 10-minute tutorial to get a feedback form working. I'm pushing at least half an hour by now. But we will press on because the best way of learning something is figuring it out, right? So, step 1, add the email service. Add a new service the same way added and select email. Okay, so services, click on the plus button right there, email. All right, so I added an email, I think. Currently in test mode, we have app owner, switch to live mode to allow sending emails. Okay, I guess that's enabled. I can't tell if it's enabled or not. And data tables is there, so email is now there. Okay, so mark complete. Let's see what happens next. Just one line of mark complete, and now we go call the send function. Okay, go to your restore module and your feedback to look like this. Okay. Be nice if there was a copy paste function or copy module here, but there isn't. So I'll go ahead and just copy. Control A is not what I want to do. Control C. And go back to my form function. And I click on code. And this is supposed to go underneath the add feedback function. Okay. Okay, feedback. This is interesting. I don't have an add feedback function. Or do I? I don't have an add feedback. Okay. I don't remember an add feedback function. I don't remember an add feedback function. Submit button click. Submit button click. Submit button click. Okay, so there was no add feedback function. They're calling it, they renamed it without telling us that they're renaming it. So I will go ahead and just pop this in here like that. How do I get rid of this? I don't want these things. Let's get rid of this too. Ugh. Don't have enough UI for all of this noise. Okay. How do I close this? No. Okay. Not going to worry about it right now. And send an email each time. Email send to. Changes to your email address. Okay. All right. Control S. Control T. And email is working. Okay, so let's take a look. And when I run this, I should get something, but ooh, look at that. Anvil server has no attribute callable. Form 1, line 24. Okay, so so maybe I'm supposed to make it callable, but it's not. Okay. Output sure says no. Okay, so let's go to email. To the app owner. Okay, I just enabled it, but it looks like I might have problems with sending it. Okay, run. All right, so I'd say that's a bust. Thanks for watching, and this is Anvil, Python. Nothing. Actually, let's. Maybe those. The class needs to be. Okay, so these are all set part of class. And why is this bad input? Why do I have bad input? Okay, what's going on? The same level as app tables. Okay, that's all the same levels. Got a new error. Okay. I already fixed this. All right. Thanks for watching and happy computing.